Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with the ELUTENG Ice Blue mechanical keyboard switches. These 5-pin plate-mounted tactile switches come in a pack of 100, perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to enhance their typing experience with a factory-fine lubricated design that promises a lifespan of about 50 million keystrokes. Featuring a palm stem for ultra-smooth, scratch-free keystrokes, these switches combine a low-density modified PC top housing and a PA66 bottom housing to minimize rebound noise, delivering a creamy and consistent sound. The innovative 20mm extended spring enhances tactile feedback, ensuring a smoother, more stable, and notably creamier actuation throughout extended typing sessions. Pre-lubricated right out of the box, these switches reduce friction for a more responsive and silent operation, making them ideal for gaming and long typing sessions. Designed with a general MX structure, they offer broad compatibility with most keycap sets, allowing users to effortlessly customize their keyboards. Elevate your typing experience with these high-quality switches that blend performance, durability, and customization in one seamless package. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.